was coming back. Got the city of Houston over here, and you got code enforcement, all of them came up in here.
City of Houston inspectors returned to Aquabella Apartments earlier today and issued the complex several citations under the city's new slumlord ordinance. This follows a visit from Dr. Matthews last week after residents contacted her about sewage backups, suspected mold, pest infestations, and other maintenance problems.
This is nothing but a river of shit.
I know you got citation, and you've been cited probably a whole bunch per day according to that new ordinance. I'm not done until you either get it cleaned up or I'm gonna shut you down.
Hey everybody, if you want real, raw, live footage, step by step on what I do in this activism game, tap in to my YouTube and subscribe right now, because I want all the smoke and I ain't playing with none of these motherfuckers.